Let's welcome our all-star chefs. First, we have celebrated New York restaurateur, the one and only Chef Leah Cohen, and James Beard nominee and Top Chef champ, Chef Bruce Kalman. Nice to see you.
Hi.
What's up, brother? Big Bruce. Michelin-starred executive chef, Adam Sobel. The Oklahoma rising star who is killing it in the culinary competition game, the one and only Chef Kevin Lee. Hey, looking good, brother, looking good. Food Network star and Southern sensation, Damaris Phillips. There we are, very nice. And pro ball player turned baller chef, Tobias Dorzon. You are about to play our toughest game ever. This is Triple G Relay.
Pumped.
Each team will have to prepare a cohesive game day plate without ever cooking together. Instead, you will work alone in a 10-minute shift. The first chef is gonna shop and prepare. The second chef is gonna cook like nobody's business. And the third chef is gonna have to decipher what the other two chefs did, finish the dish, plate it, and present the final dish to the judges. I want a little team solidarity, so we have aprons for you.
Do they say cute little things like, you're such a cutie in the kitchen?
Only Tobias does.
Yeah. There you guys go.
I am gonna say goodbye to the cook and to the presenter of both teams.
You're gonna do great.
Let's go, Brody.
Bye, guys.
You got
Bye,
this.
guys.
You got this. You got this.
Kill it.
Bye-bye. Out that door.
Good luck.
You guys want to sit here and chit-chat for a while, or would you like to 3, 2, 1, go?
Burger.
There's nothing more classic to eat on a bun than a cheeseburger. I grab buns, some cheese, ketchup, all your traditional ingredients.
I found this really nice lamb merguez sausage, so kind of like a fancy hot dog.
I think that was a smart move if you want to stick. 10 seconds.
Oh my God, it feels so crazy. I know. The 10 second thing is not helpful. Come on, Tobias.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it, you're done. Icebox. They're expecting the next chef to come in, but they've done 0 in prepping. So now they're gonna make 3 dishes, not knowing exactly what the dishes are, 3 dishes in 20 minutes. Good luck. Kevin, Damaris, you're on deck. Let's go. Oh. What do you think you're making?
I don't understand ice cream boat for a banana split with any of the ingredients that are happening. It's really throwing me.
Okay.
I'm just gonna ignore those plates because I just do not get those plates.
So what else do you think you're making?
So I think I'm making a chicken quesadilla.
Got it.
I think I'm making fried shrimp with a
Okay.
little salad on the top, and I think I'm making fajitas.
That's what I got. Slider, chicken wing. I know I have to start moving.
I think the shake, I don't know, I tried to make it eat like it's a straw, it's milk, it's ice cream, it's a, you know, a cup that you, I don't know.
I read her mind.
Damaris has done the same thing. She's really organized. It's going to be when that next chef comes in, can they pick up that lead and run with it? 15 seconds. Now, what's going to happen in 15 seconds is not going to make anybody happy.
That's what's out of his way. Before I leave, I'm putting everything back onto the trays the way that Adam set me up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. In the icebox. Let's go.
You guys!
I wish I had cooked more. The time that I spent being confused really hurt me.
Chef Tobias, Chef Bruce, let's go. Hold up, guys. Guys, come in.
No. Hold my hand. I'm so scared. What's happening?
Now, listen, gentlemen, hold up. Stop the clock. I just want to talk. Big sports fans, correct?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay, so you understand that sometimes in sports, right in the middle of the season, you can be traded to another team.
Come on.
Swap aprons. Let's go.
Oh my God.
Traded. They're swapping.
You're evil, man.
That is so wrong.
Chefs, 10 minutes to finish your dishes. Good luck.
Tobias is now on Team Blue. Bruce is now on Team Red.
I need, where's it? No onions, no onions.
Whatever small game plan they were able to conjure up is gone away.
Guy, that is messed up, man.
What did you think of that mid-season trade?
It was ruthless.
Oh, no, yes.
What was the thinking behind that trade? Would you
Well,
let
we
us
just
know?
think, we don't really think. Okay, you got quesadillas working.
Got quesadillas
You got
working.
fried shrimp going.
Buffalo shrimp.
Okay.
And then some kebabs.
All right, Tobias, what do you got?
We got burgers over here, we got buffalo wings, and we got a milkshake that's getting cold right now.
They're both coming down to the wires. 40 seconds left for Bruce's first run at this. He's stepping up pretty nice.
And then last, I've got to plate my quesadilla. It's crispy and cheesy and gooey on the inside.
I didn't see any blue cheese.
There's blue cheese dressing.
Oh, there is.
Yeah.
25.
So the clock's running out, and I'm thinking I've got to get a sauce for my buffalo shrimp, and I see a bottle of blue cheese dressing.
Come on. Get that blue cheese, Bruce.
10 seconds.
Get that blue cheese. Go.
Can't open it.
And it won't open, so I said, forget it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Wow.
What in the world?
All right, judges, this is it. Game day bite fight between two great teams, the red team and the blue team. Up first, originally with the blue team, now for the red team, Chef Bruce Kalman. Chef, what do you have for us?
So hopefully the right thing. So this is our game day feast. What we've made for you is a kebab with a harissa yogurt sauce that has sausage and some peppers and onions. We've prepared some buffalo shrimp. And then last is a chicken quesadilla.
All three of these dishes are delicious. I really love the spiciness of the buffalo shrimp and the hot dog in a tuxedo over here. This is my favorite sauce on the plate. My only complaint on this component right here is there was only 2 wieners on my stick, and I would like a couple more.
Heard.
For the quesadilla, you know, I want like quadruple the cheese. The flavor's great. The crispiness on the outside is perfection. I just want to see like a pound of like cheddar inside of there.
Tobias was in the red, and then he got to the station and he turned blue.
For real, like literally.
Go ahead and break this down for us and tell the judges what you think you made.
So we have our buffalo wings right there. Then we had an Oreos milkshake, got a little chocolate on the bottom. The burger, we got lettuce, we got pickled red onions and butter pickles.
My happy place is in a bun, honestly. And that's what you guys did with this burger. I love the temperature, I love the sauce, I love the pickles. I want a little bit more of them. Chicken wings, love them. And you guys did a textbook version. And I love how they're seasoned in advance, cooked, and then crispy refried, and then tossed with even more seasoning. I mean, this is absolute spicy perfection. In terms of the sweet, this is definitely sweet. Cookies and cream is my son's favorite flavor of ice cream, and this really reminds me of him.
All right, I think y'all did a fantastic job, and I think you adapted and overcome really well. And it really was back and forth with the judges, and there can only be one winner. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight, the winner of the Game Day Bite Fight is... Congratulations, team. And we'll be back after these messages. Welcome back, folks. The winner of the Game Day Bite Fight is... Congratulations, Team Red. Team Red going after $15,000. A minute and a half on.
We got this.
Herb that is added to hollandaise sauce to create béarnaise sauce.
Tarragon.
Go.
Tarragon. Aisle 1, tarragon, go.
The only challenge was tarragon is literally at the furthest point in the supermarket.
Name of this snack item comes from the ancient word meaning dried meat.
I think...
Okay, who's going next?
Jerky. Jerky, I think it's 7 and 8. I'm looking for jerky. It's in either 7 or 8. Beef jerky, beef jerky, beef jerky. It's in 7. Coming in hot!
Only blue cheese aged in the caves of French Village can officially use this name.
With 37 seconds left, Bruce has to go find Roquefort blue cheese. It's in aisle 10.
Come on, Bruce!
Come on, Bruce! Come on! Come on, Bruce! Bruce!
10,
Aisle 10,
9,
aisle 10!
8,
Yes!
7, $15,000. Join us next time to see what other surprises we have up our chef's coat sleeve.